Okay, so this is the passenger side upper timing chain cover. The pipe that goes in the middle. This is the one your driver's side. Like I said, I don't recommend anybody doing this themselves because unless you don't really, you know. Anyway, I can't afford another car. I'm just gonna work on my car, but you know, if I buy another car, it's not gonna be cost more than $2,000, $3,000. I'm getting a smaller vehicle. I got this car on the auction. Thankfully, it served me very well for the past 5 years, and you know, it was very affordable off the auction. Anyhow, I put the pipe in already for the driver's side with the gasket. Now I lost the gasket for the other one that I bought, so I'm just gonna use some RTV sealant. Oh. Should I put it over the old gasket? I'm gonna put it at the front. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on the edge, on the tip. I'm gonna stick it in there. I'm gonna just slather this all up with RTV sealant. Stick it in there. But anyhow, this one was a little easier to take out than the one on the driver's side. The passenger side one, even with all the harnesses and stuff in the way, I was able to wiggle it out much easier. The only thing that was harder to get out was the pipe. As you can see, I dented up this thing using my screwdriver. I stick the screwdriver in between. Look. Stick the screwdriver in between here because it was flush with this. Stick a screwdriver in there. You know what? I should kind of, yeah. So I stick the screwdriver in there. Bang, 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 bang the screwdriver till it came up a little bit, and then I turned it over on the other side, and then bang the pipe till it came out here. So I'm gonna clean out here so it slides in a little better, maybe lube it. Yeah, lube it. It's already got a gasket, so it's okay to put oil on it, whatever. I mean, who cares right now? I'm using dishwashing liquid to get the stuff stuck in there anyway, so whatever, bro. But maybe get some extra gaskets. Be careful, because like I said, when you open the cover, anything can drop down inside there and drop down in the engine. So, you know, keep your car cleaner than how I keep mine. Got them off. Now let's see if I can put it back together. You know, that's the part. I mean, getting it off is hard, but putting it back together and the car working, and that's a different story. So let's see how that story works out.